What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at what is, in very short, in brief, the Rioja Alavesa wine region of Spain and how to pronounce it with the typical Spanish pronunciation if you've been wondering. So what is Rioja Alavesa? Well, this is one of the three sub-regions or sub-areas of Rioja. In Rioja you will have the Rioja Alta to the north and the Rioja Baja to the south, that is lower in altitude, and then nestled between the Rio Ebro and the Cantabrian mountains to the very north you'll have this small sub-area that is called the Rioja Alavesa, because it's got a limestone terroir, a limestone soil, and it's relatively higher in altitude, and it's to the north. It's got a cooler climate than most of Rioja, so it makes for some of the best, the finest Tempranillo red wines in Rioja. They are often used in blends with other sub-regions, grapes from other areas, but you will find also some single vineyards or bodegas that make single vineyard Rioja Alavesa wines, and those are going to be a little finer, a little bit more acidic, and really interesting. So this is in short what is the Rioja Alavesa. How do you go about pronouncing it? Well, Rioja, you can just say Rioja if you cannot trill the R like the Spanish do, and then Alavesa. Alavesa. Of course, the V in Spanish is pronounced like a B, and the S is not pronounced like a Z or a Z, but rather like an S. So do not say Rioja Alavesa. That would be more like Italian, but we're talking Spanish here, so it's Rioja Alavesa. Rioja Alavesa are the fine wines of Rioja Alavesa. Here is a video about a stunning winery I visited in Rioja Alavesa, Bodegas Ostat, possibly the most beautiful winery I've ever visited. And if you feel like becoming a wine expert or learning more about wines, here are more videos that you should watch. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Hasta luego.